Okay, welcome back to Profiting from PLR. Now we're going to conclude our thoughts on profiting from PLR with some summary items. Basically, everything that we've talked about is going to lead to your being recognized as the go-to person or the authority in your niche or in your area. That means that with your PLR, you are ultimately looking to develop authority. Even if your goal is to generate more sales, what's ultimately going to happen is you are going to have more authority when you have more content that you are producing. Authority requires that you be prolific in your content. In other words, you should be talking in the mediums that people listen in. You should be talking in text. You should be talking in YouTube or video. You should be talking in audio. All of the ways in which people actually experience content, you will need to be prolific in terms of your delivery of good content to your niche. If you're going to be prolific, you got to be consistent, right? So even if you decide that you're going to put out a blog post on a certain day or a video on a certain day or on all of those things, make sure that you were there when you say you're going to be there or that you're going to deliver content when you're going to deliver it, and then be on a regular basis. If it's going to be every Tuesday, every Wednesday, whatever you do, make sure that even in being prolific, you can put out a lot of content, but if people don't know to expect it or when to expect it, they will not respond. So be consistent. In order to be consistent, you must consistently buy and use only high quality PLR. Now that means that you can't buy the first thing that you see because you don't know or understand the quality. You want to follow the people who have developed a reputation or even in your own experience, right? You want to follow someone who can either sell you or deliver to you quality PLR in your niche. This is what's going to help you to publish and to be promoting on a regular basis and to develop that kind of promotion that is constant but yet tasteful. Lastly, one of the things that you want to think about, all these strategies work much better when you can find a niche where you are. So try to find a niche so that you can be the expert in that niche because that will drive people to buy if you can be the expert in a particular niche. Okay, so that is it. Thanks, and I will see you either in another video or another course.